Howdy y'all, you remember the video a while back that I did with this CD cleaner? And how I added sandpaper into this and just, oh, look at what it did to this disc. But doing some resurfacing on it is actually a way you can try to fix some discs. So I have a thing that claims it can fix scratched discs. It's not brand new, got it at Goodwill for what, like $7.59? And I have no idea if it even works. But I got a copy of Quake 2 for PlayStation 1 that doesn't work, and a copy of Gears of War 3 for the 360 that doesn't. So let's see if we can try to revive those games. Well, here's our guy, the DVD doctor. Well, it looks like it could use 9 volts, but it also has AA batteries, and the batteries themselves are crusted over. Great. Wow, that's a lot of AA's. Yeah, I'm thinking we're gonna do the 9 volts instead. See here, once 9 volts DC, 1 amp, negative polarity. Wish this thing came with instructions, but oh well. Are they on the box? No. I'm sure I got a 9 volt, 1 amp charger somewhere. Ah, here we go. 9 volts, 1.2 amps with center positive polarity. That should work. But the barrel jack doesn't fit. Great. I need to get more 9 volt adapters. Guess we're going in manual today. Okay, 9. Nope, not 12. There we go. 9. Oh, cool. That works. What's the polarity on this again? Center positive, negative. Okay, perfect. So that should work then. Hopefully I'm not about to explode. Ooh. Yeah, there it goes. I feel like this thing's supposed to have like a replaceable wheel or something, but Well, first let me prove to you that disc isn't working. Here's my working PS1 copy of Metal Gear Solid. Metal Gear. Metal Gear, come on. Okay, there we go. I don't think it's playing nice with this adapter. Hold on. Metal Gear? Jeez, I'm having a lot of technical issues today. Other PS1, go. Metal Gear. Well, the picture's stabilized, but what's happened to the audio? Well, the point is this thing can read it, so we know that works at least. So with all of that taken care of, let's see if we can fix Quake 2. Actually, oh, I need to prove Quake 2 doesn't work. See, Quake 2 just gets stuck here, and I'm pretty sure if I do this, oh, I mean, it was spinning, but yeah, it just gets stuck here. And if I try resetting it, nothing. Okay, cool. So let's see if we can fix this. No instructions, I assume we just put it in this way. Oh, and it like slowly rotates. I feel like this is just making it worse. Yeah, I don't know if that helped at all. I don't think this is still gonna run. DVD doctor, I don't think you're doing your job. Nope, that didn't work. I mean, maybe it is just that this copy of Quake 2 is just too far gone. But I might as well get the 360 and we can try this Gears of War 3 copy. Gonna use this white 360 today. Yeah, this copy of Gears 3 isn't looking the best, especially around the edge. It says play game, huh? Disc is unreadable. Okay, yeah. Let's see if the DVD doctor can fix this. Well, maybe the problem with the PlayStation 1 is that it was a CD and this just wants DVDs. Yeah, I'm sure that's the only reason. All right, let's put you in. So this is what it looks like before. Maybe I need to stand it up like this and let it do its thing. Well, that stinks. I guess it's done, or just absolutely collapsed on me. I mean, you can kind of see like right there what it's supposed to be doing. Yeah, and this kind of feels like it just made my disc worse. I highly doubt this is gonna work, but let's give it a try. And that still works, just guess it got caught. Oh, well, it says play game immediately. That's good at least. Disc is unreadable, what? No way. Okay, restart the console. I mean, sure, we'll give that a try. Oh wait, it actually sees it this time? No way that actually worked, what? Are you kidding me? Oh my gosh, that worked. What? I'm shocked. Okay, I don't know if I would like recommend having it read from like the disc like the entire time. I think I would maybe say like have it installed to the hard drive. I mean, we can do a test with that, but I thought you were useless. What? Huh. Well, I guess the best way to kind of test this is just to see if we can actually install it to a hard drive. Dang it, there's not a hard drive. Okay, 1 second while I fix that. Wait, this console has parental controls on it? What? But I was just able to launch Gears. How much storage should I have? 144.3? All right. Is it gonna let me launch it? Okay, it lets me launch it. I didn't realize this Xbox had parental controls on it. Okay. Well, I do have a method of getting around that. Well, let's see if this installs. Oh, can't read it. Okay, so it was able to get the game to run, but it wasn't enough for it to be able to actually load. We can try one more time. Yeah, it's not gonna do it. Well, at least in this scenario, if your friend happened to own this game, you could just borrow his disc, install it on your hard drive, and just use your scratched up copy to authenticate it. We at least have that much, but it doesn't do a full kind of fix. But it did at least do something, so there's at least that. And this one's just gonna go back in my collection on my shelf because I am not selling this to GameStop or any store because it just, even though it boots, does not install. Well, overall, I mean, this thing kind of worked. I mean, it also did freak out at one point. So I'm probably not going to be using this to resurface any of my discs. I'll have to look into a different option. If anything, I have a fancy new disc scratcher. In fact, Never mind, it doesn't work anymore. Well, that's gonna be it for now. So long, y'all.